Afghanistan. Afghanistan is an Islamic country which is located in the heart of Asia. 99% people of Afghanistan are Muslim in both Sunni and Shia sect of Islamic religion. Afghanistan is a landlocked country that borders with China, Iran, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Afghanistan has 34 provinces and it has more than 38 million populations in the world. Afghanistan got its independence in 1990 from England when Amanullah Khan was the king of Afghanistan. The flag of Afghanistan is made of 3 colors such as black, red, and green. This country has hot, dry summer and bitterly cold winters. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan, and the famous cities are Herat, Balkh, Kandahar, Helmand, and Jalalabad. The geography of Afghanistan is dry and mountainous, and famous mountains of Afghanistan are Hindukush, Baba, Ferisko, and Iriti, and the famous river of Afghanistan are Amur River, Panjshir River, and Irisi. Afghanistan has more than 5,000-year history. The people who are living in this country are really brave and hospitable. Different nationalities exist in the country, such as Pashtun, Tajik, Hazara, Uzbek, Baloch, and Nuristani. The national language of Afghanistan are Dari and Pashto. Afghanistan is an agricultural country. It means that the only way of development of economy is agriculture. Afghanistan is also known for its traditions, arts, and crafts, including carpet weaving, embroidery, and pottery. We love our country and we are proud of it because Afghanistan is our homeland and we would like to work in favor of beloved Afghanistan. Long live Afghanistan! Dil divi Afghanistan, ژوندی دیوی افغانستان، زنده باد افغانستان.